In this video, we demonstrate how to use the ByVital mobile app to remotely start and stop logging on one or multiple ByVital devices via Bluetooth. You will also learn how to monitor device status such as battery and storage, and how to label events live during an experiment. All data is logged directly on the ByVital devices and no continuous Bluetooth connection is required. Only start and stop triggers are transmitted. Before beginning, the app must be installed from the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. The ByVital devices should already be configured. A separate video tutorial explaining configuration via the web toolbox is available. Start the app on your mobile device and navigate to the LinkHub sub-application inside the ByVital app. If the ByVital devices are turned off, power them on using the reset buttons on the devices. Select the ByVital devices from the list that should be added to the experiment, then start the experiment. Wait until the status of each ByVital has been queried. Once completed, the app displays multiple device information. If many devices are used, this step may take longer. If needed, you can change the LED color of each device. This can help with assigning devices to participants or teams. To start recording, press the Start button in the app. Each ByVital vibrates once and blinks red when logging begins. After recording has started, the devices can move away from the mobile device. A continuous Bluetooth connection is not required. During recording, you can create labels in the app. These labels can later be exported and time synchronized with the data using the ByVital Python library. Here is an example of creating labels as shown in the video. When the experiment is finished, press the Stop button to end the recording. To avoid shutting down devices individually, you can use the Shutdown button to turn off all ByVital devices at once. The app returns to LinkHub Start mode. Here you can view the label file you created, select it and save it to the device's download folder to transfer it later to your computer. Good luck with your experiment. Have fun and enjoy.
Beep 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 towel. Beep 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 towel.